My name is Nader. I make videos for international students and people moving to Canada. If you're one of those people who want to move to Canada, want to start a life here and become successful, hit that subscribe button, subscribe to this channel because you don't want to miss any updates. All the important stuff comes through here, and turn that notification bell on because any piece of important news or helpful advice can be released about you getting to move to Canada and become successful here, and you may miss it. You don't want to miss it. So again, hit that notification bell. Now let's talk about how you can make friends in Canada. Immigrating is a hard thing to do. You're leaving your life behind back home and you're going to a new place. So coming here, you're going to want to actually find different ways to make friends. I'm going to give you tips. Gonna drop them right now. Not even gonna make you wait for them. Facebook groups. Get on as many Facebook groups as you possibly can. Hit everybody up. Don't advertise weird things like your business. Go get on the Facebook groups. If you're from India, look for Indians in Canada. If you're from China, look for Chinese in Canada Facebook groups. If you're from anywhere in the world, they have pretty much every single country, they have a Facebook group for it. Second thing, open an Instagram account. You may be in China using WeChat. You may be in India not using Instagram. Whatever it is, I know we have like viewers from Colombia, we have viewers all around the world. That's a motorcycle outside. But what I want you to do is go ahead and create an Instagram account and follow popular accounts in the cities you want to move to. So if you want to go to Toronto, unfollow the random accounts you're following right now if you have an Instagram. If not, create one brand new and look for popular accounts in Toronto. Toronto Eats, Toronto, Maple Leafs. Follow everything you can to become immersed with the culture and comment, reply to other people's comments. It'll feel like you're living there through somebody else's eyes who's creating content. The next thing I want you to do is to actually have a plan for making friends when you get there. Download this app called Meetup. I've mentioned it before on the channel, but I'm going to mention it again. Meetup is a great app to meet people all around your city, and in bigger cities, it is great. Even in Halifax, being a smaller city, Meetup, there are different events going on pretty much every day where you can meet up with total strangers and make friends. It's great for business opportunities, for networking, for, if you make a friend and you're struggling one day, you need help finding a job, these connections are going to help you when you're in Canada. So these are some ideas about, really getting out there and learning how to make friends. You need to come outside of your comfort zone, even if Canadians may seem a little bit cold. We're kind, we're polite, we say sorry, but you know what? We can also be kind of cold because that politeness means that we don't want to impose or infringe on other people's comfort. So sometimes we're withdrawn and stick to ourselves. I'm not like that, I'm completely nuts, but other people are very much like that. So what you want to do is get out of your comfort zone. Tell people, hey, I just came here and I don't know Canada very well. Can you help me out? If I need advice, can we have a coffee or something? Hit me up on YouTube. I'm in Halifax. If you're coming to Halifax, I've already met with a few subscribers just over coffee, talking to them, helping them. So these are things that are going to help you when you're moving to Canada. These are tips that I want you to write down. If you haven't done that yet, grab a pen and paper, get it handy. Treat this like a course. Treat my channel as something that's going to actually help you move to Canada and become super successful and integrate with the community that we're building here. I have at least 3 to 5 comments every video. Some videos get 20 or 30, 40, 50 comments. Some get 2, some get 1. So let's keep it consistent here. Let's talk to each other. Let's build a community. We're all in the same shoes. All the subscribers, everyone on the channel, and this community that we're creating is here to help each other out. So that's what I'm trying to build. I'm trying to build a family. I'm trying to help you. So help me help you. Subscribe, integrate, connect with the community. And you know what? Moving to Canada is a piece of cake. We're going to do this together. I can't wait to see you here. And if you see me in Canada, it's a big country, but come say hi. Thanks for watching. Take care.